Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are taking these and turning them into these. This is Mom. Say hi, Auntie. So let's begin. First step, ingredients.
We have potatoes, about 10 of them. You can choose any potatoes that is suitable for boiling without breaking too much. And this is how it looks like after you have boiled. And then we have 500 grams of beef. This type of food, you are going to fry it and then with additional fat from the oil. So it's better to choose low fat mince. Onions, garlic, chopped finely. And then we have celery to give extra flavor. And then we have coriander. And then we have onion leaves, and then of course you season it with salt and pepper after that. Now we have to prepare all these ingredients by first starting with the onions. You need to chop the onions, and then you do the garlic. This celery is from my garden, you know. So basically, if you have a veggie patch, you can grow your spring onions.
So where did you learn how to make perkedil?
Oh, passed on from my mother. If you were to do it too smooth, it becomes like a mashed potato, then the perkedil is not so nice, okay? So now finally, if you have done all that, these two and minced beef, we mix it together in a bigger container. Salt and pepper is all to your tasting. This I'm putting 2.5 because I can't take salty food for the high blood pressure.
I don't know if we should be saying anything about your high blood pressure, Mom.
This is a very nice texture, you see. A lot of beef. And there are people who just wanted to have a little bit of beef, so they put more potatoes. But if you want more beef for the family to eat, very filling and rich, more beef. If you want to test whether you have put enough corn flour and the mixture is nice and well binded, you can make it into a ball. Give it all nice and round like that, and then you press it. That's okay. Okay, but if it breaks, crumble like that means you have to add more corn flour. You start to fry the perkedil, just crack 2 to 3 eggs depending on the size of the eggs that you have. But it is better to start with 2 eggs first so that you don't waste your eggs. Test the oil by putting the chopstick. If it sizzles at the bottom, that means the oil is about ready.
So how long do you cook this for on one side?
No time. It's just that if you think that it is a bit brown, then you can turn it over. I normally use a chopstick so that it will not be broken. If you want it to be brown, you can. If you want it to be light, but make sure that it is properly cooked.
And that's how you make perkedil. Comment down below if you know of another recipe. Otherwise, thumbs up if you liked this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Wow, somebody just got this recipe for free, yeah? I've got to go and study about this recipe, you know.